Welcome to the Odoo Map Widget, also known as the Odoo OpenLayers Map Widget. This module brings powerful mapping features directly to your Odoo application, making it easier than ever to visualize geographical data. With support for latitude and longitude fields, you can effortlessly add a map widget to any form view. The Odoo OpenLayers Map Widget seamlessly integrates with your workflows, allowing you to mark specific locations on the map simply by dragging and dropping the marker. Built on the trusted OpenLayers library, the module offers full customization, making it the perfect solution for industries like logistics, real estate, tourism, and more. Features: Mark the location, interactive map display, marker management, drag and drop. Please subscribe to our channel for more Odoo-related videos.